What's up guys, welcome to my channel. And today we got a 2007 Dodge Caliber here. We're gonna replace this brake bulb. I did replace that one, so it's a very simple process. So if you got a Dodge Caliber over here and you need to replace that bulb, let's bring the camera down a bit. So bear with me here a bit. So we got two retainers. You're gonna need a tool, a flathead screwdriver or a tool such as that. So you're gonna go between these clips here and fork them out. Okay, this is what it look like. So you just go in between, right, the opening right there, and lift it out and it comes out. Do the same thing for the second one here. And very simple and easy to get the bottom one out. After that, let me show you a bit of a trick here. So before you break this light, I want you to pay attention. I am going to be taking this light outwards just like that. So just tap on it and it comes right out. And after that, let me just show you up close and personal. Okay, and to put it back, it's a small little process. So this thing is out. You see these little guys? These two little guys sit in here. Okay, so the brake bulb is this one right here. So what you do is you gently twist this guy and you pull out the bulb with the one hand. It's always crazy, so let me set up my camera. So we got this light. What you want to do is you want to just pull out this bulb, just wiggle it back and forth, and it comes right out. So this, we can let this guy hang here. It's not going to give too much of force. So let me go get another bulb. And the bulb number here is 3157. That's the bulb number, 3157. So we got a new bulb here. Notice I'm grabbing it from the back end. Okay, you could grab it from here, but then you're gonna have to clean. But what you want to do is you want to take this bulb. It doesn't matter which direction you put it. Just make sure it's a dual filament bulb. I usually call it dual flare. You can stick it this way or that way, it doesn't matter. But since we touched, what you want to do is you want to wipe down this bulb and you just take it back in the housing. And now you're probably gonna have to go closer because there's not enough clearance with the wiring. And you twist it right on. We're gonna test it, okay? So that's a trick to put it back in. So what you want to do is, let's come on this side. You see this black surface here? It has to be behind on this side of this rail of the frame of the car. Can't be on this side. You'll never get it in. Make sure everything over here on this side, the two little notches align, and after that, it's all done. And what you want to do is you want to take your clips, make sure they're open to put them back in. They have to be open. You stick one in and you push the clip in. Second one, same thing. And you pop it in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go push the brakes. And we should have a lit up light there. There you go. Make sure you check both and make sure you check the one on the top. Everything is working. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one.